Welcome to the overview video for the in/out of the money indicator on the Into the Block platform. Here I am on the Ethereum token indicator page, and this chart is one of our financial indicators. To calculate this indicator, we take every on-chain address that currently has a token balance and calculate the average price at which its tokens were bought at. The Ethereum addresses that have an average price lower than the current market price are said to be in the money, because they would realize a profit if they were to sell today, and those are the ones you'll see in these green bubbles. Those addresses that have an average price higher than the current price are out of the money because they'd realize a loss if they'd sell today, and are shown in the red bubbles. And finally, the remaining addresses to sum to 100% of holders are at around break even, which we call the at the money addresses, and are represented by this gray bubble. The size of the bubbles on the chart indicates the relative size of that price band versus the other price ranges on the horizontal axis. We display this chart in two separate views, on an address basis and also on a token basis, which shows the number of Ethereum tokens from the total supply that were bought at these various price ranges. The larger the bubble, the more addresses on the chart is shown in the addresses view, which I'm currently in, and the more tokens when the chart is displayed on a token basis, which you can see in the volume view. We think it's super interesting to see how the distribution for the in/out of the money calculations change when you switch between the two views. So in the case of Ethereum, based on the current price of $307.16, 48% of addresses are in the money, but 72% of tokens are in the money.